Thanks for purchasing your Propella electric bike. In this video, we'll walk you through how to assemble your Propella 9S Pro version 2.0. We at Propella recommend you take your bike to a bike shop for professional assembly. This video will give you the basic knowledge to build up your bike and make sure your riding experience is a safe one. Make sure to read through your user's manual before assembly and operations of your new e-bike. Our e-bikes ship around 80% assembled, so it won't be long until you're taking your first ride. When removing the bike from the box, be sure to grab from the frame or the wheels. Do not pull by the wires or the cables. Begin by removing the packaging materials, but hold on to them for now. You might need them in a rare case of a return. Once the bike is removed, locate the keys on the handlebar so that you can remove the battery. To detach the battery from the bike, insert the key and turn it clockwise. Then twist the latch on the battery and pull it out. While you're building the rest of your bike, now is a good time to top off the battery charge. Plug the DC port into the battery and plug the other end into the wall. The charger will show a solid red light indicating that the battery is charging. It will switch to a green light when it's fully charged. In the two provided boxes, you will find a set of pedals, the charger, a multi-tool, the seat post, and the seat itself. To put your seat on the seat post, unscrew the 6mm Allen bolt as far as it will go without the top nut falling off. This will allow for enough space to slide the rails off the seat into the right position. You can adjust the angle of the seat while this bolt is loose. Once the seat is in proper position, tighten down the 6mm Allen bolt until the seat is secure. Insert the post into the frame, and if you need to lower the seat all the way down, loosen the water bottle screw. Tighten the seat post clamp with a 4mm Allen wrench. It's time to install the handlebar. First, make sure the fork is rotated correctly so the cables are coming out on the side of the fork. Start by removing the 5mm Allen bolts on the stem faceplate. Put the handlebar into place and make sure the wires and cables are not twisted. Put the stem faceplate back on and tighten down the Allen bolts. Later in the video, we'll show you how to make final adjustments to the handlebar. Next, install the headlight onto the fork with the included bolt. Tuck any excess wire into the down tube for a cleaner look. Take your front through axle and install it into the front wheel. Remove the plastic cover from the brake caliper. Bring the wheel into the front fork, making sure to align the disc rotor in the brake caliper. When tightening the steer lever, make sure the axle is fully inserted and there's some good resistance as the lever is closed. If you look close at the end of the pedal, you'll see a small L for the left pedal and a small R for the right pedal. Install pedals by tightening them towards the front wheel. Check to see if the handlebar is aligned with the front wheel before securing the stem. If not, loosen the steer tube bolts on the side of the stem, align the stem with the front wheel, then retighten the bolts. The 9S Pro comes with an adjustable stem. A lower stem angle provides a sportier riding position with more control, and a higher angle provides a more comfortable upright position. If you need to adjust the stem angle, loosen the bolt underneath the stem, raise or lower the stem to your personal preference, then tighten the bolt again. Once the handlebar is in a comfortable riding position, tighten down the Allen bolts on the stem faceplate in a cross pattern. Make sure to not over-tighten these bolts. We recommend inflating the front and rear tires between 50 and 60 psi. It's time to install the battery pack into the bike. Start with the bottom section and then secure the top. To power up the e-bike, hold down the button located on the top of the LCD display for a few seconds. To turn on your integrated headlight, press and hold the top button. You can adjust the pedal assist levels by pressing the top or down buttons. You can reference the owner's manual for more information on your e-bike and the display functions. Thank you for watching our assembly video of the 9S Pro electric bike.